Hi guys, Kamikaze Creations. Just reviewing a couple of the parts that I bought for the Torana build. This is from Melbourne High Cool Auto Parts. I found them on eBay. Was looking at some aluminium radiators just to tidy up the engine bay a little bit. Bit of increased capacity. I think it's a 3-core instead of the original 2-core. It was for a 6-cylinder LH-LX-UC as advertised. The difference between the 6-cylinder and the 8 where the inlet and outlets come out, so make sure if you're buying one you do get a 6-cylinder one. Didn't come with any holes in it, and I just put a trolley jack under the base of it, lifted it up, clamped it to the radiator support panel, and just put a texter in through the existing holes, marked it, went out and drilled it, and fitted up absolutely beautifully. A really easy installation and a good quality radiator if you're looking for one. I've just recently bought a fan shroud. I think the company's called Phoenix. It's a Stealth Series fan shroud, which I'll show you when I get it. So I can go to some thermo fans instead of the big old wind beater sitting on the end of the motor. Anyway guys, nice little radiator if you're looking for one.